DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. You already know what time it is, you know. Down back in the lab with another action. And you see what we are doing today? We are back with none other than the Vendetta boss himself. You don't know what I talk about, the man himself. Yes, man, we are with none other than Alkaline. The one named Gyal. Good. You see me, I check it out and swear. He dog, I deal with it. You don't know, same time Alkaline dropping, it's a whole event. You see me, I say it's a whole event in dancehall, especially for the Vendetta fans. You see me, I say. So when I will be vibe much longer, I jump right into the reaction. Alkaline, Gyal, good. Let's get it.
Pussy. Wine girl bend. Right old girl then. Walk you over now.
So you start it off, brother. Hey man say Pumbo cleat. Alright, the dog now play control.
Pussy. Wine girl bend. Right old girl then. Walk you over now.
Hey, who for the what kind of girl them?
Old girl then. Walk you over now. Hey, one thing more on them fi understood. When girl good.
Yes.
The pussy top tier, she the wine pound. When girl good.
Blood cleat. That's the one thing want to know if you understand, you know. Yes, man. What? Pussy what? Top tier? She a wine pound what?
Understood. When girl good. The pussy top tier, she the wine pound. When girl good. Cute face, shape, clothes, girl, nice. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. We ready for kill sitting.
Cute face, shape, girl in a clothes, girl, what?
Good face, shape, clothes, girl, nice. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. We ready?
Say what now? Wait. Alkaline. Do what now? Where the blood clean? Well, on the first will ensure, but where dog say? What him do? With what? Ice now? At town I go on nowadays? Cup and ice? How the blood clean? Yes, man, I love y'all, I know, but it's not a bit too extreme. It's not a bit too vulgar. No, that's crazy.
Clothes, girl, nice. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. We ready for kill sitting. Fat pussy in front of me, she give me with a well in a teary pussy jaw part. Boy, you're independent, ne ask that come for this money no shot. You don't know how you start.
Never ask that mama blood clean dog. Hey.
Boy, you're independent, ne ask that come for this money no shot. You don't know how you start, girl. You set me could do and you sexy. Madam on the girl in a bed and you a top freak. Blow me like fan.
Girl, you don't know where you start, you know, mama. You don't know where you start. Just see me look simple and calm and relax and build back. She think I don't know normal, go on, Joe.
Fat pussy in front of me, she give me with a well in a teary pussy jaw part. Boy, you're independent, ne ask that come for this money no shot. You don't know how you start, girl. You set me could do and you sexy. Madam on the girl in a bed and you a top freak. Blow me like fan, wet like a hydrant. And me and you feel fuck over.
Blow me like fan, wet like a hydrant. Easy no, mama.
Set me could do and you sexy. Madam on the girl in a bed and you a top freak. Blow me like fan, wet like a hydrant. And me and you feel fuck over for now one. Put your pan all phones, I beg her she want more for sure. Me drill your pum do your like chore. Bust it up for me, knock it pussy clean and pure. Me sink it in and your deep. One thing more on them fi understood. When girl good. The pussy top tier, she the wine pound. When girl good. Cute face, shape, clothes, girl, nice. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
Season, man.
She make me body stiff. Shove it up and make you scream. Sperms over your face, good for your skin cream. All in me sleep, me a fuck your wet dream. Murder anybody for me, we make a crime scene. Give me neck, that man you take. Swell up your account because you give the best success. Slap me cocky on your tongue, you're the best. Skin it out for me, girl, me loving all your flex. A big up, get carried away, me a fit. Box you down, every time you see a yummy.
Oh yeah, we go, my girl, get carried on me and fi box you down, girl. Easy, that's how you go on. Shut up. I go on somebody, easy.
For me, girl, me loving all your flips. A big up, get carried away, me a fit. Box you down, every time you see a yummy. Want something, come here, don't run. Soap me, I fi check if your period come. One thing more on them fi understood.
When girl good. The pussy top tier, she the wine pan hood. When girl good. Good face, shape, clothes, girl, nice.
Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
One thing more and them fi understood. When girl good. The pussy top tier, she the wine pan hood. When girl good. Cute face, shape, clothes, girl, nice.
Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
One thing more want to know if you understood. When girl good. You know, man? That is it. Alka. One thing more if you understood. When girl good. Nah. Blood, clean, cute face, shape. In a clothes. Hey, go on through now, man. Yes, man. That's in a cup with liquor and ice. I said the muckers them are going now. Cup with liquor and ice, man. Son of you, I know that, but don't know also. Jesus, I'm pissed, no, man. But hey, that's it. That's it. Dog, what we be things, Alka. Hey, shout out to Alka, guys. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. Let me know what you think the vendetta boss. So, we want to rate the one now. I know the ladies, them, I love the one, you know, because they love you. They're good, you know. When they're not good, you know, they don't love you, saying good, you know. But you don't know. One thing I want to know if you understood. When girl good. You see me and say so. Yeah, man, shout out to that, guys. I'm soon ratings to the one. You see me and say, make you vendetta boss know. You see me? If you like it, if you show the artist all over and support, make you vendetta boss know. Say, yo, I did dancing, you know that. You see me and say, guys, I make sure I'm dropping a request in the car back in a full effect, you know. I do it thing, you see me? Yeah, man, no joke. It's a vibe as always. You see me and say, hey, the vibe not stop. You see me? We not stop. Vibes gonna keep coming, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Drop on a request. All that good stuff. We going crazy for the rest of 2026 and beyond. I don't like say with 10k subs. Make sure you hype up the video. Hit the hype button. Definitely help my videos grow. And you know, make the video them go more and get more views. As I say, cost nothing. It's definitely free. As I say, guys. Yeah, man, back in a full effect, we see a lot of people try jumping in space, man. You know, say, man, we could show them why we are the original. Why we are the boss of this. As I say, guys. Yeah, man. We're going up. We're going crazy. We're stay consistent. We're not play the road. You see me, I say, guys, drop the comments. You see me, let's chop it up. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.